Hi, I'm Mayor Nadim Denchi, and I'm so sorry that I cannot be with you in person tonight to celebrate the 5th anniversary of Excel Family and Youth Services. For 5 years, you've been doing extraordinary work with people who are new to our country, particularly people from East Africa. As an East African myself, I really appreciate the fact that you exist, that you're there to help people integrate here and to be able to live a great Canadian life here. And I know Excel is largely volunteer driven, and I want to say a special thank you to the volunteers. I understand there are 57 of them who give of their time, of their resources, of their hearts, and mostly of their love to make sure that newcomers to this country have the chance right here, right now, to live a great Canadian life. It's important work. It's work that is well worth celebrating. Congratulations, happy 5th birthday, and here's to many more.